How to fix NBA Live mobile crashing. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix your NBA Live mobile crashing. So first of all, just open your Play Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for NBA Live. As soon as you open the app, and you need to check whether there is an update pending regarding the app or not. As you can see that I have just installed the application in my mobile device and there is no update pending whatsoever in my device. And if you see that there is an update pending, just go ahead and update your mobile application first, and after that just open your app and it would work fine. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you can do is just open your mobile settings, and after that just simply search for apps in the settings, and after that just go to app management, and here you need to look for the NBA mobile app for your device. Just scroll down and search for it. And here, as you can see the NBA mobile app, just simply tap on it, and after that the app info will open up. And here all you have to do is just scroll down and click on the storage uses, and here you will be able to see the option called clear data and clear cache. So simply just clear cache for this particular app right here, and after that just refresh your mobile app. And after that, when you will open the application in your device, it would work fine. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just long press on the application in your mobile device, and after that just click on uninstall and click on uninstall again, and after that just open your app store or your Play Store and install the NBA Live mobile application in your device again, and that might fix your problem completely. So this is basically how you will be able to fix your NBA Live mobile crashing. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.